Not every heartbreak is loud. Some happen when you choose chaos over calm. Ava had already loved the loud kind, the kind that texts mine at 2 a.m., the kind that fights, blocks, unblocks, and calls it passion, the kind that promises forever but disappears the moment things get real. So when Noah entered her life, she did not recognize it as love because he was not loud. No dramatic fights, no jealousy games, no prove that you care. He was calm. Too calm, she thought. When Eva was upset, Noah did not raise his voice. He lowered it. When she went silent, he did not punish her with distance. He checked in gently. One night, half irritated, she asked him, "Why don't you ever get angry like normal people?" Noah smiled and said, "Because I don't ever want to be the reason you cry." That sentence scared her. She was not used to someone protecting her heart from themselves. Noah protected her from his anger, his ego, his pride, the silence that hurts more than arguments. When his friends told him, "Bro, you are too soft, she'll walk over you," he replied, "Love isn't control, love is care." With Noah, love felt safe, too safe. And for someone who grew up in chaos, peace felt boring. Slowly, Ava started confusing calm with lack of love. She missed the adrenaline, the highs and lows, the drama. And one day, she chose differently. She did not cheat. She did not lie. She just said, "I think I need something more." Noah didn't beg. He didn't guilt her. He did not try to trap her in promises. He only said, "If leaving makes you happier, I won't stop you." That's when she lost him. Years later, Ava would meet others, men who shouted, men who controlled, men who loved loudly, but never gently. And every time love felt unsafe, her mind went back to Noah, to the man who never made her feel small, to the man who chose patience over pride, to the man who never became the place where she felt unloved. She realized too late. Real love isn't loud. It does not hurt to prove itself. It's the quiet effort of protecting someone's heart, even when it costs you your own. She lost a real man, but she learned what real love looks like. And once you know that, you never mistake noise for love again. Have you ever left a love that felt safe and realized too late that safety was the rarest thing? Drop a comment if you do. Subscribe for more stories you never told out loud. You're not alone, ever.